So this is the Commando Lock Total Guard system, and it incorporates a shackle guard that can be removed, as well as a regular padlock body and shackle. It's got a 5-pin core. All of the chambers have security pins, and it does have relatively flat bitting, but that shouldn't be much of an issue. I'm going to be picking this with the Lock tools, top of the keyway tension wrench in 1000s, and their medium hook in 19,000s. Let's go. Alright, set 5. Let's start at the beginning. And we got it open. That was a little unexpected. Unfortunately, because of the shackle guard, if I wanted to remove this, I would have to cut the shackle right here, unless I was going to pick it counterclockwise, which is how you can remove the shackle. In order to do that, we have to reset the core with the shackle turned 180 degrees, tension counterclockwise, and though it's a bit awkward, I'm sure we can do it. And let's go. It's a little awkward, but it's not that bad. Picking in hand would be worse, which I may do on video at some point. Got it open. So, as you can see, the shackle guard and shackle have both come off. Most of the pins in here felt like a mix of 3 serrated and 2 split. spooled pins. So, a decent lock, but a bit expensive. And since there's currently a trend going on with showing off your collection of locks and picks, I'll be doing that as well. So, because we start at my desk, this is where I pick stuff and do my videos. There's some locks I've yet to pick. Actually, I've picked this on video. I need to do this and get that open. This is a bunch of trays and disc detainer, and my disc detainer pick. More trays, followers of spoon. It's my spoon. And then my sign, along with my vise, and some picks. The other picks are in this drawer. And continuing, this is where all my locks are. I've got some master lock, which don't deserve to be with all the other locks. And this is the unpicked section. This is the picked section. This is miscellaneous stuff, like keys and return addresses and screws and tools for my Swick tool, which I may also feature here. Disc detainer locks, which I have yet to delve into, and dimple locks. And then here's some my more prized locks, as it were. This is my Apple 341, my S&G 831B, and my ASA 700 with 3 Christmas trees in it. Then we've got some stickers, some cases, and a Froggy Picker challenge lock, which I also need to pick. But that will be it for tonight. Yeah, see you later.